Introducing the Benro Tripster Tripod. Combining a sleek design with uncompromising performance, the Tripster is compact and portable enough to carry with you on your journey, every step of the way. This tripod is ideal for point-and-shoot, mirrorless, or DSLRs with larger lenses. There are 3 different kits available to pair with different sized cameras. Available in either aluminum or carbon fiber. Whichever you choose, you are guaranteed high levels of strength that won't weigh you down. The tripod legs can be reverse folding, making it small enough to carry just about anywhere. Featuring high-performance rubber twist locks with anti-rotation legs, enabling a fast and fumble-free setup, leaving more time to capture your images. When battling uneven terrain, the Tripster's lightweight shoulder features 3 leg positions, with each leg able to be positioned individually. The 2-stage adjustable center column allows for even more flexibility, and by removing the center column and unscrewing one of the legs, you can combine them to convert the tripod to a full-size monopod. The included weight hook allows for increased stability. The rubber feet can be unthreaded and replaced with the included spiked feet for even more stability outdoors. Included with your Tripster tripod is a BG double-action ball head, which features an Arca Swiss quick-release plate and a 1/4-20 3-way camera screw with D-ring. The head features separate controls for ball movement, panning motion, and friction control. The 90-degree notch makes it easy to switch to portrait orientation. Accurate 360-degree panoramas can be easily achieved using the graduated pan scale. The integrated bubble level helps prevent uneven pans and head movements. And when it's time to go, just pack your tripod into the included drawstring bag and you're good to go. With cameras getting lighter by the day, your tripod should be as well. With the Benro Tripster Tripod, you're guaranteed compact portability, uncompromising performance, and breathtaking end results, making your journey a success. So what are you waiting for? Let's go.